The
minor?
bullying?
Yeah?
You know, I watched that.
Oh.
I was bothered by what I saw. I think they should investigate first why there was such a one-sided fight. Given the fact that the one who mauled was much smaller, parang liit niya eh. Gulat nga ako nang yung pala ano siya, magaling sa ano yan? Taekwondo. Pero sabi ko nga, baka naman may nag-trigger. Kasi parang sinasabi nila na that bata should undergo psychiatric exams. Eh baka naman kako na-trigger yung galit niya and knowing na magaling siya at talaki yung kalaban niya. Pero dapat talaga imbestigahan. I think we should investigate the school should investigate the incidents and do something about it. You cannot be allowing bullying inside classroom and school. Besides, there is a law against that.
Questions?